Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I am back with a bouncy ponytail on myself. I start this hairstyle always with clipping away my crown hair, so have a dragon clip prepared, and then just take more or less half of the hair to the top. I make a little bun, clip it apart. Then you need a soft hair tie, or I like to take soft hair tie for the base of my ponytail, or you will think this is the base. You will see later what happens. Make a middle high tight ponytail, and then take the crown hair, and while I'm doing it, prepare a tiny hair elastic. We don't want to see it later. And while I'm preparing the top hair, I already split it into half before I bound it together. So hold it in between of your fingers. Will be easier to split it now when we have to flip it. Do another ponytail, more or less above the other one. Now flip under this ponytail by splitting the hair in the middle from down up, and then go inside with two fingers, grab the ponytail, flip it through, hold the ponytail, yes, I'm holding it in between of my lips, tie the ponytail that comes from up, and this gives it a lot of volume, so you have wrapped around the other ponytail, and this is the final result. I love how the top folds. I like the bounciness. Hope you like it too. Give us thumbs up and subscribe. We are back here with 1 or 2 videos every week. Thank you for watching. See you back soon. Bye bye.